In this tutorial, we'll learn how to use hidden columns in Oracle Analytics Cloud visualizations. Hidden columns let me sort, group, aggregate, filter, or run calculations in visualizations without displaying that underlying column. This lets me use a column to define or format a visualization, even if I don't want the column to appear in it. In this scenario, I want to show recent sales figures by product for my consumers. I will create visualizations that incorporate hidden columns, enabling the use of specific data elements without displaying them directly to end users. I'll select the order lines dataset to begin creating a new workbook. I'll start by creating a table visualization that enables my users to analyze products and related metrics. I'll multi-select product name, quantity ordered, sales, and shipping cost. Then right-click Sales, choose Pick Visualization, and select Table. I would like the products to be ordered in this chart by their product category and subcategory. To sort them this way, I'll drag product category and product subcategory to the top of the table rows. The products are now grouped in the table by product category and product subcategory. I want to keep this ordering, but users don't need to see product category or product subcategory in the table. I'll right-click product category and select Hide. Then repeat the same step for product subcategory to hide them. The table remains ordered as if those columns were still visible. Next, I'll create another table visualization so users can compare quantity ordered across product subcategories, while sorting to highlight high profit areas. I'll multi-select product subcategory and sales, right-click Sales, select Pick Visualization, and select Table to render it as a new visualization on the canvas. My users need the table ordered to emphasize high profit subcategories, so I'll drag profit just below sales in the table rows. I'll right-click the profit column header and sort high to low to show the product subcategories with the highest profit at the top. I want to preserve the current sort order, but users don't need to see profit in the table. So I'll right-click profit in the rows drop target and select Hide. The sales by product subcategory table remains sorted by profit, even though the profit column is no longer displayed. Next, I'll create a bar chart so users can analyze quantity ordered data by product category. I'll select quantity ordered and product category in the data pane, then right-click product category, choose Pick Visualization, and then select Horizontal Bar Chart. To help users distinguish subcategories within each product category, I'll drag product subcategory to the color drop target. I'll resort the bar chart to show quantity ordered from high to low for a more streamlined view. Now that the bar chart clearly meets my user needs, the product subcategory legend is no longer necessary. I'll right-click product subcategory in the color drop target and select Hide. The column is now hidden, and the legend is removed. But users can still hover over the bars to see which subcategory each segment belongs to. Keep in mind that hidden columns are removed from the visualization but still appear in tooltips. That means my users can still access hidden details by hovering over a bar, mark, or data point in the visualization. By using hidden columns to refine sorting, grouping, and formatting, I can enhance the user experience for my workbook consumers. Find more videos in this series and additional resources on using Oracle Analytics Cloud in the links below.